First of all, we designed the mask in a 3D program. When the mask is ready, we have to transfer it into a file which we can send later on to the slicing software of the printer. Now it's ready and we go to the printer. Okay, I opened the part in the 3D printer software where I prepare it for printing. The part is automatically sliced by the program. I have a preview where I can check the different levels and the infill. And if I'm happy, I hit this button and it takes 4 hours 9 minutes to print this part.